If you're experiencing a billing hold on your Epic Games account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review account notifications. Log into your Epic Games account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding billing issues. This may provide specific details on what needs to be addressed. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Epic Games customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain the billing hold situation for assistance. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser issues can cause problems with account management. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try accessing your account again. Step 5. Try a different payment method. If all else fails, consider using a different payment method to complete your transactions. This can help bypass any issues associated with the current payment option. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on your Epic Games account and continue enjoying your gaming experience.